Hi, my name's Laura Batante. This is My Two Bits, and today I have some really fun little do-it-yourself party ideas for a pirate party. And so first off, I have this cute little napkin ring where you use the fork and spoon as the cross bones for the skull. And then I have this really fun little bomb. It could be used as a placeholder, or it could also be really good for food labels, so you could use it however you like. So those are a couple of fun ideas I have, and let's get started. All right, let's talk materials. So first off, you need some cardstock. You're going to need black, you're going to need white, and then you're going to need the accent color for the bandana, and you can use whatever you like that's going to fit with your theme. Next up, you're going to need the template. It's free. It's in the notes for this video. And then we have some felt pens, which is for the end of the bomb. And then we have some scissors, a white gel pen for writing on that. The knife and the ruler are for the napkin ring. I have this included in the template, but it's just much easier to cut a few strips using an X-Acto knife and a ruler, so that's your call. And then some glue, and that is it. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is cut out all the pieces. And I use removable tape to hold stuff onto the paper when I'm cutting it out. But you can also use paper clips, that works fine. Just helps a little, make sure that things aren't sliding around on you. And so I'm gonna go ahead and cut out all of the pieces, and then we'll meet back and we will put it all together. Okay, so we have everything cut out. So we're just take it apart and check our edges and make sure that we're happy with everything. And then first thing we're going to do is attach our bandana. That will help us place the other features. So a little bit of glue. Excellent, okay. And then once we get that on, you can use the template to help you with positioning, but yeah, I'm going to go there. I'm just going to eyeball it. So you do whatever you like, whatever's most comfortable for you. You can, of course, place things your own way. Make things a little more crooked, whatever you like. But the big eye should be on this side because there's more room for it. Other than that, you can do what you like. Oh, heavens, that's hard to get up. Okay, here we go. Okay. Sometimes when I'm working with little pieces of paper like this, I'll use tweezers, but okay, there we go. So he looks pretty good. And then we just take the strip here that we cut, and you could glue it if you want. I've lost my lid. Or you could just use some tape, and that works easy peasy. And wrap that around. No one's going to see that anyway. And then for placement, we're going to put it as low as we can on the skull, but not be able to see it from the other side. And again, we'll just tape that on. Not crooked. There we go. And that's done. That looks awesome. And it would go pretty quick doing this if you cut out all your pieces at once. Okay, so that's that. And now, okay, so let's do the place card. We have our two strips and our two pieces of the little bomb there. I cut mine out on top of each other. I just folded it and cut it. That way I know I'm getting them exactly the same. And here's our little piece of whatever that's called that's exploding. And we can just grab some felts, whatever you have, That's a little more fluorescent than I would like, but oh well. And just go in with yellow and orange and out to red. Suppose you could use paint for this too, but it's kind of a small space. Another yellow here. I like it better. I'm going to go over top. Okay. Excellent. So now we are just going to pop that in there and glue it. And then we'll write on it. You can write on it now if you want. That might be an idea, just in case you have a little problem with the writing and you want to replace that one. We're only gluing up here at the top. And then that just folds. You can put a little pre-fold in, but it doesn't go that far apart, so it's really not that big a deal, and then it stands. That's why we have the bottom nice and flat there. Okay, and then for writing, whatever you want to write on there, I go with a, with a pencil first and go nice and light, and then go over it with my white gel pen. Well, there they are, all done. I think it looks great. This would add some really fun detail to your pirate party, and I hope you enjoyed making these with me. And if you did, then I hope you'll give this video a like, and please consider subscribing to my channel so that you can enjoy all the rest of the videos to come. Thanks very much.